Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set Honda Fit timing. First, ensure your workspace is safe and well lit. You'll need a few basic tools, including a socket set and a torque wrench, to complete this task accurately. Understanding the correct procedure is vital for your engine's health and optimal performance. We will walk through each step carefully, ensuring you achieve precise timing. To begin, always disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to prevent any accidental electrical issues. Next, you will need to remove the passenger side front wheel and the inner fender splash guard to gain access. This exposes the crankshaft pulley and the timing belt cover, which are essential for the next steps. Take your time to ensure everything is safely removed. Now, carefully rotate the crankshaft clockwise until its timing mark aligns precisely with the indicator on the engine block. Simultaneously, check that the camshaft sprocket marks align with the corresponding indicators on the cylinder head. This dual alignment is critical. Double-check both sets of marks to confirm they are perfectly matched before moving to the next stage. With the marks aligned, install the new timing belt, ensuring it has the correct tension. Once the belt is in place, manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions by hand. Then, recheck all timing marks to confirm they still align perfectly. Finally, reassemble all removed components, reconnect your battery, and start the engine to verify proper operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.